Hey, what's up guys? This is Ivan Ramy from Bot and Cop Bot Support, back again with another video. I took a small break, but I am back and ready to make some new videos for you guys. This video will cover my Omnis setup for Amazon consoles and GPU drops. If you do not have an Amazon bot and would like to have one of your accounts ran for, you should consider joining Bot and Cop. All you would have to do is come here into this ACO forums chat, then fill out which form you'd like. This is completely free for our paying members. There's no pay after success either, so it's 100% free. Once you do that, you can hit up the ACO chat just to make sure you're set. And then finally, you're going to see some success here. So for example, last drop for Best Buy, somebody hit 4, looks like 3080 Ti Founder Editions, which is really nice. We also have a bunch of monitors and alerts in our group on top of everything else. So if you guys are interested in joining, I'm going to go ahead and drop my 3 free day trial down below. Just click that and you'll be able to join. Now we can get into the setup. So very first thing about Amazon is you'll need accounts. Specifically, there's a console drop coming up very soon. You'll want Prime on that. The last few drops, they at least for PS5s, they required Prime. So make sure you have some accounts. Personally, I run 5 accounts, but you can go up from there, keep scaling up if you have to. Also be careful with the addresses you're sending it to and the cards you're using. Otherwise, Amazon will pick that up and clip you. So here, I'm going to go ahead and add an account here in our account group. You just click on here, hit the plus. For now, I made this Amazon for YouTube. And then all you have to do is put the email and then put a : password. You also can add a proxy if you would like to. It's up to you. But for this one, I will not. And also one thing to note, Amazon works better if you're running on a server with your bot. Reason is because speeds are going to be drastically better. So I'm going to also drop down below the server I use, which is soft servers. Go ahead and, okay, there we go. So looks like it's added. It's not going to say anything here because we have to run a task first for it to work. So let's go ahead and jump into the task. I already have my profile set. Click add. Now you're going to see 2 different modes, server side and manual. I recommend first starting with server side. Reason is you're not wasting your proxies with these. Server side is going to use their monitors they have on their side. So if a PS5 is in stock and they pick it up, they're going to ping your task to start. It's not going to be using your proxies to keep checking if it's in stock or not. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that. Account group. So this is where we just made that one account. If you're making multiple accounts, they're all going to be in this account group. So just be careful with that. You have to make sure, okay, I have 5 accounts. I'm going to have to use 5 profiles, things like that. They don't have to have an email match either. You just have to be careful on how many you have in that group. Now there's categories here: GPUs, CPUs, PS5, Xbox. Those are the main ones. For this one, let's go ahead and go with PS5 because, like I said, there's a drop coming up soon. So price check, I would go ahead and put high of 600, which should cover both PS5s. This is also, you just want to be extra careful with that. You don't want to check out third-party PS5. So whatever, if it's a disc, it's going to be 500 plus tax. So you just do your math, or you can just put 600, or even you can just leave it empty. I haven't seen anyone check out on accident, so it's really up to you if you want to put that in there. Now for profile groups, you're gonna have to pick the profile group first. I already made my profiles, and then you select your profile. It's kind of weird. It's all selected already, but you can just click select all. Then it says 0 selected, and let's say I want to use this first one right here. There we go. Now proxy group, I would recommend using ISPs or VCs. Those are the best. I'm going to go ahead and use some Oculus premium ISPs. I'll link that down below if you guys are interested in using that as well. The reason is those are really fast, and speed is really important for Amazon because most of the time these items are going to be out of stock in seconds. For consoles, a little bit different. It lasts a little bit longer because, you know, they wait until they have a lot of stock and then drop them. But either way, you want to make sure you have the best optimal speed for this. Task quantity, I only do one. I've seen people do a little bit more, like 2 or 3, but since I'm running multiple accounts, I'm going to keep it to 1 task. This is up to you though if you want to do more. And also I'll be running one that's manual as well, so you'll see that in a second. So I'm going to click add. So let's start this up. It should log me in. It should bring up, oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm already logged in, so it didn't make me, but most situations it's going to bring up a little table or whatever you want to say, a window for you to log in. It's going to automatically log you in, but you have to make sure you're accepting the codes just so it can log in and get those cookies. It's going to do that multiple times, so don't be scared if it keeps doing it over and over and over again. It's just getting those cookies just to make sure that when it's trying to start the task, it has backup cookies, so you don't have to keep doing it. So just make sure you keep doing that. And then finally, I'm going to show you how a manual task should look. So offer ID, you're going to have to get this from your cook group. So from, let's go ahead and grab that from Bot and Cop. Looks like we got the offer ID right here. Paste that in. Like I said, guys, if you guys need a cook group, I'm going to go ahead and drop that link down below. It'll have a free 3-day trial for you guys. Then SKU, I can go ahead and grab that from our cook group as well. Price check. This one I actually would put like 600 at least, just to be sure. Again, I'm going to pick my same as applies, you know, pick one of your accounts if you have one or whatever that you'd like to use. And just like that, add. So now the difference here is you're going to see it trying to look for, there you go, monitoring on a stock. That's the difference. Overall, I would mostly, it's good to have both running, but the one you want to be on most of the time is just server side. That way you don't fry up your ISPs or anything like that. So that's basically it. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Next video I plan to cover Walmart because there's a Walmart drop next Thursday. So I'm gonna definitely be on this and make that video guide for you guys. Hopefully you guys have a nice day. Let me know what else you want to see. I also have some video ideas about NFTs if anyone's interested. I'd like to see if you guys would like to see that as well. So yep, thank you.